So check it out. Wow. One more time. Wow. Wow. Really cool. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys a new paper airplane test flights. This is the new design, and I hope that you guys will enjoy watching this paper airplanes. So let me hold the paper airplane right here, and I will go straight at 30 to 35 degrees. Wow. Oh wow. This flies so well. So let me pick it up now. Okay. Pick it up. Okay, check it out. Oh. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new design, and hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane. First step, let me fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. Now I will start from the upper edge upward to the other edge. So when I fold to the other edge, I will not fold straight completely. Okay, now all edges are lined up. I can just press down the paper. Okay, so just press down the paper. It's looking. On the following step, I will start from this upper edge. Actually, I will start from this side, and I'll fold this side of the paper to the center crease. I just press the paper down, and now I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So start from this side, fold to the center crease. And now I can press down the paper. Next step, I'm going to unfold this side, and I'll just flip the paper over, and I'll start from the upper part here and use the intersection here as a reference to fold this part of the paper down. So I just fold slowly. Okay. Alright, so this is what I have, and it looks just fine. On the following step, I just flip the paper over and just fold this part of the paper back. So when I finish that side, repeat the same fold for the other side. I may just need to adjust the paper a little bit if it's not even. Okay, now I just fold back here, and this looks just fine. So I just finished the first step, and when I flip the paper over, you can see this pocket here. It's very important for this paper airplane. Okay, on the following step, I'm going to flip the paper over again, so that I will start from this side instead of the other side. Now I'll start from this part of the paper and fold to the center crease. Okay, I can hold the whole part here, but I will not do that. I'll just fold this part to the center crease. And when I fold this size of the paper to the center crease, I will not fold completely like this. I will fold out a bit, okay, so that this edge will cross the corner right here. So we want to make a pointy corner. It's maybe up a little bit, that's fine. So I'm going to do the same step for the other side. I just press down the paper, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So just adjust that a little bit, fold out a little bit too. Okay, so it's crossed right here. So now both sides are even. This look perfect. Now going to press the paper down a bit on this side too. Okay, now you just finished one of the most difficult steps for this paper airplane. Now I'm going to fold this part of the paper back here. Okay, so just fold right here. Let me fold it back. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same fold for this side. A little bit more. Okay, so the paper looks really good. We have this size of the paper, and we have this size of the paper. Okay, on the following step, I'm going to start from this side of the paper, and I will fold it to this side. Okay, so from the tip here, fold it to the edge below, hold the paper and just fold it, and then press down the paper here. Okay, so it looks really good. And on the following step, can you see the pocket right here? I'll use this pocket for me to fold this corner to the pocket. So just curve it and press the paper forward to the corner. Okay, so I'll just curve it. I'll hold the paper up so you can see how I fold the corner to the pocket. So I insert this into the pocket and just press down the paper, and it's just a fine. So I'll do the same step for the other side here. I just fold it a bit right here, and I will insert it into the pocket here. This looks really good. So for this part of the paper back up right here. So this will look like this. This looks just fine. Okay, so this is what we have. Now on the following step, I'm going to fold the paper in half. When you fold the paper in half, you can adjust the wings. If it's not even, that's okay. On the next paper airplane, when you fold it, you can adjust it. But this time, I'll just show you guys how to make it so there's a little bit off. That should be okay. Okay, now I just finished, almost finished the paper airplane. I will start from this upper edge. I fold the whole pocket out. Make sure that you keep both layers together, and then fold the paper down. It's a pretty wings. Just make a little bit. Okay, so I will not fold straight to the tip here. I'll just fold close to the tip, so that's easier for me to make the wing. So I finished the first part of the paper. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Carry the paper down and press this down. Okay, so it looks just fine. I pressed down the paper, and now this is what I have for this. It's really good, right? So I'll fold the paper down, hold the paper and press this down here. So it's look nice. Same thing for this side, same thing for this side. Okay, so it's look really good. On the following step, I'm going to create the stabilizers for this paper airplane. So at this point of the plane, I'll fold straight up here. Okay, go straight up here. So finish one side, press it down. Okay, so now I have one stabilizer. I'm going to do the same step for the other side. So the easiest way is I'll fold the paper in half and just do it. So I've just finished one side. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side here. I can fold it straight up to this point. Okay, finish this side. Same thing for this. Okay, so now I just finished the stabilizers for both sides. Now I can pull it up. Looks really cool, right? So let's make sure that I have everything on hand here. Okay, press this down and fold the stabilizer up. Alright everyone, so I just finished the stabilizer up here. You can see the stabilizer up. It's look really cool, right? And at the end of the wings, I will fold it up too. So I create two more stabilizers to make sure that the plane will fly. So the stabilizers here, right here, and the stabilizers right here. Okay, very easy, right? And I'll fix this stabilizer. Okay, at the end of the paper, I'll just curve this part up so make sure that the plane will fly. Okay, so everyone, this is a new paper airplane. I hope that you will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Okay, so let's test this out yourself, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.